everyone, this is Shanmugapriya. This time I'm going to make this video in English. I have chosen to talk about a disease called overthinking. Yes, we made it as a habit, and how to overcome or how to avoid overthinking. The reason why I chose this topic because I do suffer from overthinking. Okay, when do we overthink? We overthink when we could not decide what to do. We overthink about something. What if the time expires before deciding it? Even for the small decision that will not affect anyone or anybody, we overthink. There are few kind of a people who actually suffers from overthinking. Let me tell you about few kind of people who actually suffers from overthinking. People who has lack of confidence, people who has highly self-conscious, who has oscillation in deciding. Yes, first one, people who has lack of confidence always think when there is a need for making a decision, they think like, am I capable to decide, or anyone who is eligible to decide better than me. The second one, highly self-conscious people. They think about their own priorities and they expect same from others. They think like everyone watching me, but actually no one cares even if you fall or rise. People decides in oscillation leads to over analyzing, and they wants to make a perfect decision, and which is not possible. Actually no one is perfect and nothing is perfect. Every decision has both sides and it differs according to the people. So hardly we need to experience each and everything. For example, I could say half glass of water is empty and half glass of water is full. So the perception differs. To avoid overthinking, we have two decisions, like one is important and another one is not important. Not important, you can make the decision fast, but you have to make sure that decision will not affect anyone or anybody and it will not have the long-term damage. Then you can go with fast decision. And coming to the important decision, if you're not able to make it your own decision, seek help from experts. Make a note. And finally, you have to set a deadline, because there are many successful people have made a mistake without taking the decision on correct time. So I would tell you to take a decision and stand for it. I have shared this video from my view. If you wish that this video will be useful for someone, please do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.